Should you buy a $10,000 wholesaling course? In this video, I'm going to show you the true benefits of buying a $10,000 real estate wholesaling course and really the cons of it too. I'm just going to say this. You might think I'm a little biased here, but no. This long story short, no. I don't think buying a $10,000 wholesaling course is the best course of action, especially for a beginner in real estate wholesaling. But I really want to break down why people offer $10,000 courses, the true benefit and why some people do really successful when they do courses, and what I would do in that situation. We're actually going to list the pros and cons. I'm going to show you where you can get your best ROIs possible, and truly how you can use the benefits of buying a $10,000 course into actually doing it into free content. You can get the same value and actually have the same motivations if you bought a $10,000 course with some of these mindset shifts. So before we get into it, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can help this YouTube algorithm out. But let's get into it. Now, yes, $10,000 is a little tad expensive for a real estate wholesaling course. I would say most people charge 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably 7,000 the most I've seen. And then you got masterminds up to $10, $15, $20,000 for real estate wholesaling courses. But truly, I would say you should not be buying a $10,000 wholesaling course. But let me state my case on why you shouldn't. And if you're on the fence for paying $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on mentorship, I think this is a really important video to watch. Even if you're going to buy it, I really want to state to you what you should be doing even if you buy it. Now, I think everyone should learn real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling is not a pay-to-play game. It doesn't work like you have to pay $2,000 to learn the game. This isn't what it used to be. In 2004, 2005, yes, probably had to pay for things, but things have really changed. And I'm in the upfront movement here of changing the way real estate wholesaling education is going because honestly, I don't have a profit incentive. I give away $10,000 real estate wholesaling course content, information, the same quality, just because I don't do it to sell courses. I do it to truly help people because I was in a situation where I was almost forced to by other wholesaling gurus that if I want to get their secrets on how they did so well, I would have to pay them money. I ended up not paying the money. I went to the school of hard knocks, and honestly, I could have ended up like most real estate wholesaling coaches and just say, you know what? I can make a YouTube channel. I'm going to keep half my secrets away from people. I'm not going to tell them that. And I'm just going to give half my value out there. And then if you want the other half, you're going to have to buy this nice course. And I can be like the regular ones, but I decided I was really motivated by some really awesome real estate wholesaling YouTubers out there and people like Gary Vee and stuff who, they just say, give this stuff out for free. Be a giver. I read The Go Giver and it really changed a lot of things when I thought about giving content out, and I decided to give everything for free. And trust me, I've seen the inside of these $5,000 courses. People have showed me them. I give more value than that. But sorry about that rant there. But truly, let's talk about the pros. Why do people buy $10,000 courses? We know why coaches sell $10,000 courses. It's because they want to get paid, right? I mean, it's easier to sell a $10,000 course and have hundreds of people buy them than it is to actually wholesale real estate and do real marketing, right? Sit behind a camera and try to sell courses all day. I mean, it seems a little easy, right? The problem is people are buying them left and right. People don't understand that people like me, there's other real estate wholesaling YouTube out there that give great information, the same quality information out absolutely for free. A lot of people don't know that. And the more subscribers, the more growth we get on this channel, I feel like the movement will start getting more and more traction and we can help save some people. The only person that's going to lose money on this situation are the gurus, but we're not going to get into that right now. But truly, people, they sell courses because they can get a boatload of money, right? Now, why do people buy courses? And this is back to when courses really became a thing. I mean, in the 70s and the 80s, everyone sold courses back then. They always said, if you buy my course, I'll teach you this. They really think that you just have to pay money to learn the game. And honestly, you did, again, like I've said, a decade ago, you probably had to. But again, things are changing. So people buy courses because they want to learn real estate wholesaling. They think if you buy this course, you're going to get the secrets and you're going to obviously make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year and profit from it. And honestly, not anymore. So this is 10 years ago. This is 2021. Things have changed. So really right now, there's not much point of buying a wholesaling course. Now, buying a wholesaling course is completely different. I'm going to say this a million times than paying one-on-one mentorship or paying for someone's time, paying $500 to sit down with a 7-figure entrepreneur and really try to talk to them, ask questions, and get really a one-on-one mentorship with them. That is completely different than a course. What I mean by a course is you pay me thousands of dollars, you get into my little account here with all my videos or in my secret ClickFunnels thing, and you can go through my Kajabi and go through all the systems, and you can click it and there's like things to download. Honestly, that's what I mean by a course. You don't really see someone, or maybe in these courses, you get in a Zoom with like 300 other people paying thousands of dollars for this wholesaling course, and you can't butt in, you can't ask a question, you really can't do that. It's a complete mess. Now, there's stuff in real estate wholesaling. I'm not going to name any names, but there's masterminds out there that you'll pay $30,000 for, and you can get one-on-one with like people that are doing 7 figures. You get in a room with like 10 people. They all do $1 million per year in profit, and that's completely different than a course. Now, I'm not a part of any of these groups. I've only heard things. I know the owners. They've been on my podcast before, and that's a little different. That's one-on-one mentorship. You're paying for someone's time. This is not what I'm talking about. But overall, these courses do teach a lot of stuff. I mean, I'm going to be honest. If you pay for some of these top-line gurus and coaches, some of them are legit. And I'll tell you, I have some people going on my podcast. They sell $2,000 courses, but I'll let them on my podcast because they show me their statements. They make millions of dollars per year in profit. And honestly, try to sell your course. I don't care. Like, you're a legit person. I want to interview you. So yes, some people are really good. Some people are not. It's very important to vet your gurus. Always go to their website. They should be posting their HUDs on there. Now, I post my HUDs, but I do them a year. I always backtrack them about 18 months just because I don't want to give out, where I'm doing my deals. But people buy them just to gain knowledge for real estate wholesaling. And it's really important. And honestly, the number one reason why people buy wholesaling courses, and this is subconscious. These are the things that people don't say. These are the things that real estate wholesaling coaches say behind closed doors that they'll never tell you. But this is the truth. I'm going to get killed for saying this. But truthfully, people buy courses to get confidence that their coach is selling them. That is the absolute truth. Let me say that again. Real estate coaches sell confidence. That's what 90% of these courses are being sold for. Literally, for you to buy someone's course's system so you can gain confidence by seeing their little system, and they can just give it to you line item by line item so you can have the confidence and have their confidence rub up on you. That coach is like super confident, so you're going to go follow them and use because they're really confident. It'll make you feel confident that their system's working. So they do it, like I've said before, they do it to buy the confidence. And honestly, when you buy that course and you gain that confidence, another really important part is when you buy a $10,000 wholesaling course, you take the material seriously. There is just some people that will watch my content. I will literally give you a step-by-step video on actually how to do virtual wholesaling, and it is literally to a T better quality content and even more valuable than a $2,000 virtual wholesaling course. But the problem is that since my stuff is out for free, they're not going to value it as much because it's free and it's out there, that they're just not going to value it, and they're really not going to take it seriously and not follow the game plan that I set forward with them. But if they paid someone $2,000, then that means, oh my gosh, I just wasted $2,000 buying this guy's system. I better copy it and better use it, right? That's another instance why people buy wholesaling courses, and that's one of the hugest benefits really of it. And it's really just to buy certainty and really to make them take the system more seriously. Now, in my opinion, you can just Venmo me $2,000 if it'll make you take my videos seriously. Like, hey, I'll take your money. I don't care. I'll just donate to St. Jude or something. But honestly, if it takes you paying someone thousands of dollars for them just to see the video seriously, literally, if you put my videos out in a course and someone paid $2,000, they do really well with it, and they'll do even better than some of these courses because they just took it more seriously. So a quick tip I can give to you is, if you're watching these videos, just pretend you paid $5,000 to watch this video. Literally, if you pretend, like if you watch one of my step-by-step videos, I have a million of them, how to wholesale fire damage properties. If you pretend in your head, just for, let's say, while you're watching it for 20 minutes, that you paid me $1,000 for this 15-minute video, pretend like you did that. I know it's weird to think, but just pretend you just gave me $5,000 or $2,000 for a bunch of these playlists of videos, and you literally paid me for this stuff. you will literally sit down with a notepad, you'll grab a pen, and you would write down everything I say with detailed notes. You would be like, oh my gosh, I paid all this money. I really got to take this serious. This stuff is super important. But most people won't. And if you do it, your success, especially with the free content that I give out, that is way better than any guru coaching course out there, you will become extremely successful. So that is really the true pros, I could say, for buying a $10,000 course. It's really not that worth it, but here are the true cons. Now, there's not a lot of cons, but here are the cons. There's content out there. Let's stick to virtual wholesaling real estate as an example there. I have a lot of really good virtual wholesaling videos. I have countless interviews with people that make over millions of dollars per year in virtual wholesaling. I get them on the podcast, and I take all their systems and I literally let them reveal it to you. I do it. There's stuff out there. There's other podcasts out there. But really, if my channel compared to a wholesaling course, in my opinion, and a lot of other people's opinions, thousands of people's opinions, it is better. It's better quality than all these wholesaling courses. It's cheaper, which mine's absolutely for free. And I post more videos than any of these courses out there. Here's another really big con about wholesaling courses is it's not updated. You know, you have a guy who sits behind a camera just like this, and they're telling you they're filming the content for their course. And honestly, they probably filmed it in 2017, like 4 years ago, and they filmed it once and that was it. You know, they put it back. They had this 4K, so it looked really nice, professional. They got the lighting set up, and honestly, they didn't update it. And you might not know this. I'm an active real estate wholesaler. You know, I'm telling you right now, in the past 4 years, if you did the strategies from 2018, even in 2019 or 2020 into 2021, you would be extremely behind the 8 ball. So that's the truth. Now, a lot of these real estate wholesaling courses are not updated at all. And real estate investing is constantly changing. So a YouTube channel like mine, it's literally like paying a $10,000 for a year membership to watch my videos like this. This is literally what it's like. I will literally give you updated information every single day, every single week, every single month. So really, these courses, you buy the course, you get 10 videos, and then you'll never get it. You never get those videos back. They're not updated. They don't give you case studies. And honestly, that's another huge con with it versus a channel like mine that is always updated. I literally have no profit incentive to go make money off of you. I mean, I'm a real estate wholesaler, 7-figure real estate wholesaler with me and Rick. So I got no profit incentive. If YouTube went away, I'd be sad that I can't really help people out. I enjoy the hobby. I like making videos, but honestly, it's not the end of the world. I'll just make 7 figures wholesaling by myself. Like, I don't care. You know, real estate wholesaling and selling courses is not my MO. So you really need to find YouTube channels also that people don't have a profit incentive. They make so much money in their wholesaling business, and they're really honestly bored. Like that's the truth. Like, I have acquisitions people doing things for me. I have editors editing all my videos. Like, I got a lot of free time on my hands. I got really not much to do. People schedule my Instagram stuff for me. All I can really do is just sit back, watch the profit, and really check on the numbers. So really, when building systems like that, you have a lot of more free time on your hands. I don't go on appointments. I don't really do dispo anymore. We've built a huge, awesome system doing 7 figures where I'm kind of off. Like, hey, I'm not doing the hard work on it. Like, I'm really making sure the train's going, the conveyor belt's going through. I'm trying to build more wholesaling markets virtually, but honestly, I have a lot of free time on my hands. So it allows me to go behind the camera here and really help you guys out. Now, here's the last statement I can really say here. If you spent $10,000 on a real estate wholesaling course, think about it as wasted marketing dollars. So who would do better in your opinion? Because I'm going to give you my opinion. You might not like my opinion, but here's the honest truth from me. If you spent $10,000 on a wholesaling course and you compare that with someone who watches my YouTube channel and they spent that $10,000 they just spent on the course, and they spent that $10,000 on cold calling, skip tracing, SMS, direct mail, RVMs. They spent it on that. That person on the second wave, they'd probably go in my Wholesaling Houses for Real group. They'd literally go live with me and ask questions every single week because, quick plug, the Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group, I go live every single Friday at 6:30, and sometimes there's 20 people, sometimes there's 5 people. I'll literally go live, answer questions for a full hour. I don't even care. I just try to help you absolute for free. That's what we do in that Facebook group. And honestly, I'll help them out their $10,000. Tell them what they got to do. Again, if you join that group, I will see you live. Like there's no secret. There's like no secret mumbo jumbo. There's no selling there. Like literally, I just go in front of you guys with the Zoom and just try to help you out. So if you told me you had 10 grand, I would tell you, skip trace this list. I would really get personal with your market and just help you guys out. So literally that person would probably do that, and I would direct them, and I would probably help them out get a deal if they really needed it. And that's it. They'd get the deal, and they would do so much better. They would be so above the 8 ball when it compared to the person who spent that $10,000 on their wholesaling course. Plus they'd probably have to spend an extra $2,000-$3,000 on their own marketing. So $13,000 there versus $10,000 with the free content there. It would be insane. Telling you, for $10,000 in marketing, you can easily make $100,000 in wholesaling profits. So that's it, guys. If you want to take the videos that I give you seriously, this is the stuff that $10,000 will get you for a full year, or probably a full month, since I'm doing a video a day, honestly, of valuable information. So take my stuff seriously. Act like you just paid $1,000 watching this video, and the next flip with Rick video you do, pretend, because if you do, you'll take it more seriously, and your chance of having success watching my stuff will quadruple. I'm telling you right now. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Remember, wholesaling, you used to have to pay so much money to literally pay for these wholesaling courses. And then someone like me came along. Think about YouTube or Spotify. YouTube, you used to have to watch like clips of things. You have to pay cable. You have to pay all this stuff just to get a little bit of content here and there. And honestly, YouTube came around and said, no, I'm gonna give this stuff absolutely for free. And that changed the game with a lot of stuff out there. And it really is changing the game now. And think about Spotify too. You used to have to pay, I mean, I feel like an old man saying this, but like when I was like 10 years old, I have to pay like $2 to watch a song, or download the video, or download the song on the MP3 with iTunes. It was a complete mess. And honestly, Spotify came in and just give all the content and all the music for free. That's what I'm doing here at Flip with Rick. So if you enjoyed it, if you want to help build this movement, please smash that like button and subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys watching this stuff. Take my videos seriously. I'm telling you, you'll do so much better. I truly appreciate it. God bless.